Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Tangerine Bank differs from traditional banks. The most significant difference is that Tangerine is a direct bank, which means it operates primarily online and over the phone, with a very limited physical presence. Traditional banks, on the other hand, rely heavily on their network of brick-and-mortar branches. Because Tangerine doesn't have the overhead costs of maintaining a large number of physical branches, they can offer products with lower fees and more competitive interest rates than traditional banks. For example, their checking accounts typically have no monthly fees, and they often provide higher interest on savings accounts. While Tangerine offers many of the same products as a traditional bank, such as checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, and investments, the way you access them is different. Most of your banking with Tangerine is done through their website or mobile app, including depositing checks with a photo. Tangerine also provides access to a specific network of ATMs, namely Scotiabank's, for free withdrawals. This is different from traditional banks, which have their own ATM networks. In short, Tangerine's business model is built on providing a simplified, low-cost, and convenient digital banking experience, which sets it apart from the traditional branch-based model of other banks. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.